Alrighty folks, this evening there is hot. We're just going to have a quick simple meal, and we've got Spam. Here's our biscuits here. Throw us on a piece of Spam. Good old homegrown tomato. This here is a German pink tomato here. Of course, we can't forget our Dukes. Now you use whatever mayonnaise you like. That's all up to the person. And then I personally like salt and pepper on my tomato. Right there you got a delicious meal. Alrighty folks, here you have it. The other day we did a little short. Is a sausage and tomato biscuit. That was for breakfast. There was some people wrote in what a pitiful dinner that was. No, if you ain't never tried it, don't knock it. And to us, it was a gourmet meal. A lot of people just ain't never had a homegrown tomato. And after this video here, we're going to have added in for some sides. Lord willing, we'll see you Friday. Hope y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Alrighty folks, this is the squash we went up there and got. Now you're probably hearing the fan in the background. That's how we cool, with fans. We don't have no air conditioner, just this old farmhouse. It never did have one. Alrighty, now what we're going to do, we're just going to, like I said, this is not normally the way Carolyn fries squash, but we're going to try it this way. She said she used to. We're just slicing them up about that thickness there, folks. 1/4 inch or so. And then we'll fix a little egg wash. And then we're also going to try fixing some homemade cheese sticks. I gotta go out here in a minute, check on the, we had perfect little things till I started talking there. I gotta go out here and check on the chicken, make sure the temperature's still okay. Alrighty, now for the bread, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of cornmeal and a 1/2 cup of flour and mix that together. But what I'm going to do before I do that there, I'm going to have a little bowl of some cornstarch. I'll place them in the cornstarch first, then I'll put them in the egg wash, and then we'll go over to the breading mixture there. And then for the cheese sticks, what we're going to do, we'll basically be doing the same thing, except we're going to be going over to breadcrumbs. We got some Italian breadcrumbs. We'll try that there. We've never made homemade cheese sticks before, so we may be going back and buying them back by the bag. We'll see. Alrighty folks, this here's the squash. We've coated them in cornstarch, dropped them down their egg wash, and then this here, like I said, is 1/2 and 1/2 of flour and cornmeal. We've got just a little bit of onion powder in there, a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Just get them coated real good there. And then we'll be dropping them over here in the deep fryer. And then we've got the oven right now preheated to 170. That'll just keep everything in there good and warm. Won't let it get soggy. Hold on just a second, Shug. Getting ready to take them over here to the... Now you will get messy doing this, folks. Alright. And then I'll let you know here shortly how long we're cooking these for. We've got the oil up at 375. Alrighty, I won't bore you no more. I'll show you here in just a few minutes. We will flip them here in just a little bit. Okay folks, there's what it looks like. I've got to run outside and check on the chicken. Just got to remember though, when you're cooking outside like that there, if you're looking, you're not cooking. Okay, I got the timer set. The chicken is done outside. I turned it over to where the crust, or the crust. It'll probably be crust. So the skin will get crispy a little bit there. If I don't pay attention though, it will be crust. All I'm using is just string cheese. And then what I do, let me get this knife out of the way. I'm going to get out a little wire rack where we can set a bunch on there, where it'll be sitting there until we're ready to start cooking them, because this don't take very long. Folks, what I did, I stuck them in the freezer to where it wouldn't instantly melt. Now these ones here is thawed out just a little bit. The other's still pretty well frozen. Just roll it in cornstarch. All this egg wash is egg and a little bit of milk. Sort of shake it off a little bit. That is breadcrumbs, flour, and just a little bit of baking powder. Now we're going to get these coated up here good. Just pour some over top of it. The cornstarch will help it stick. Okay. Just make sure you get it coated real good. Actually, it probably wouldn't hurt to double dip these. We'll try one, we'll let you know. We'll just set it over here out of the way. Roll it around, get it good and coated. And then it don't take real long. When you start seeing the cheese starting wanting to bubble out, it's done. Here, we'll go ahead and show them two here. All right. Now, clean the fingers off here. We'll get several more made up. Just keep an eye on it, folks. Don't want you to lose all your cheese. Alrighty, there you have it, folks. Homemade mozzarella sticks, cheese sticks. You can use whatever cheese. You can probably use cheese curds. I know I like Dairy Queen's cheese curds. Alrighty, we'll get everything plated up and show you here in just a few minutes.
And here you go, everybody. Looks good.
I'm going to tell you right now, that's the double battered one. Go with the double batter, folks.
Alright. I want to thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.